A day after 8 Islamabad High Court judges received letters laced with anthrax, 4 judges of the Pakistan Supreme Court and 4 judges of the Lahore High Court got similar letters. Now, the court sources have said that besides the powder, the letters also contained some threats. No address has been specified. And the Islamabad High Court has summoned the top officials of the police to get more updates on this. Now, according to the court's sources, one of the letters was opened by a judge's staff who later complained of irritation in his eyes. After the discovery of the letters, the Islamabad High Court has now summoned the Islamabad Inspector General and has handed over the case for further investigation. The first information report that an FIR has been filed with the suspected letters on a complaint that's been filed by the Islamabad High Court clerk. And according to the complainant, he had distributed the letters to the judges. However, he's received a phone call from a court employee warning him against opening the letter as it contained some kind of a chemical. Now, to give us more perspective on this, we're being joined in by Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik, who's joining us live from Islamabad. Anas, bring us up to speed with what's the latest on the story.
Well, these are 16 letters now that have been received by honorable judges expanding from Punjab to the centre. Yesterday, this first surfaced when the Chief Justice of the Islamabad High Court made this revelation that letters laced with anthrax were sent to the Islamabad High Court onto all of the 8 judges, and that they were seeking an investigation from the police. Today, the DIG operations of the Islamabad police has confirmed to the court that 4 other letters, similar letters, were also sent to the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which is not far away from the Islamabad High Court. The letters that were sent to the Supreme Court judges were 4 of them, which included to the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Qazi Faiz Isa, Justice Jamal Khan Mandokhel, Justice Aminuddin, and Justice Athar Minallah. Earlier in the morning, we heard from the Lahore High Court as well that 4 judges from the Lahore High Court have also received letters that have had powder in it, which is believed to be anthrax because it says on the outer side that it is anthrax. Now, 24 hours have passed since this first surfaced, and we're yet to see some arrests being made. This is the first in Pakistan's history that the judiciary has been threatened in such a manner, and second time in Pakistan's history since its independence that we're seeing the use of anthrax or presumed use of anthrax. The last such incident, or the first ever, was in 2011. That was later reported in 2012, and 12 years on, this is the first time in Pakistan's history. It won't be wrong to say, Saleh.
At this moment, has the police that is investigating the case said anything about where these letters may have originated? Is there a trail in terms of who may have posted these letters? And also those judges who received these letters, is there a trail that connects them on the basis of the kind of cases that they've been hearing on us?
Last question first. No, there is nothing in commonality with these judges, and in fact, I'll just take you back to the letters that were received yesterday, which had some English specifications as well, some writings in English which criticized the judicial system with regards to the blasphemy laws and the lack of judicial ability, judicial oversight over the issue of blasphemy. That being said, the first part of your question, I think with regards to the investigations, the police are still looking into the matter. It has been criticized a short while back by the Islamabad High Court as well that 24 hours later, the police are yet to figure out who has sent these letters, where these letters have been postmarked from or posted from, who is the sender, and so on and so forth. The police say that they are trying to get a hold of more and more information. They are winding up and bringing in the CCTV footages from around the area, and they hope and they expect to have a breakthrough very soon on this issue. Saleh?
Absolutely. Thank you very much indeed, Anas Malik, for joining us and getting us all those details there. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.